Hello, good morning everyone. Here I am Megha again welcomes you all in my study channel, that is estudyfarm, and this will be going to a demanding video in which I am going to teach you another new topic. Carrot, ice cream, donut, burger, apple, so many different things. Sandwich too. Here is one burger dancing too. It is so yummy. Wow, it is looking so delicious. Sandwiches. Mmm. And here comes my favorite pizza. ये सब देख के ऑब्वियसली आपके मुंह में भी पानी आ रहा होगा, मेरे मुंह में भी आ रहा है. So here I come up with my again a new topic and you can say कि बहुत अच्छा interesting topic to study about a very important one, that is, what is that? Let's find out. That is our food. And now the food, obviously everybody of you is eating food. सभी खा रहे हैं and everybody is like only eating खा रहे हैं. Junk food, healthy food, fast food, unhealthy food, so many different kind of foods. But what do you know about that food? Where does it come from? क्या आपको पता है? अगर नहीं पता और पता भी है तो let's find out something new, more interesting about food. So here I am, Megha Satogiya, again come up with my new lecture, and it is actually a demand video. One of my subscriber asked me to make this video, and if you are studying in class 6 and you are or you want to study a topic that is food, you can simply click on this video and watch it. So let's begin. So as we all eating since birth, हम जब से पैदा हुए तब से खा रहे हैं, as पी भी रहे हैं, and obviously हम खा रहे हैं, but we don't know the exact source of that food material. Like जो भी खा रहे हैं, for example, say in our childhood we had cereals करके कुछ खाते थे. After that उसके बाद हम लोगों ने थोड़ा बहुत you can say दाल वाटर भी पिया होगा, and so many different things. उसके बाद बड़े होके we started eating junk food, we like Maggie, so many different things, pasta and so many different things. But the question is again the puzzle for us, that where does this food materials comes from? And as the food materials comes from, what are its sources? इसके sources क्या हैं? मतलब sources means आता कहाँ था है, what is the origin, कौन देता है हमें, that is that. तो here the answer is that we do get food materials from only two places and only two sources are there. खाने के सिर्फ दो sources है, first is plant and another is animals. Plants you can say for all the vegetarians, जो कि vegetarians होते हैं वो पूरे जो plants खाते हैं वो, and animals for the non-vegetarians जो meat खाते हैं. तो देर आर ओनली टू सोर्सेज, एक दो यही दो सोर्सेज हैं किसी भी फूड मटेरियल्स के. तो ठीक है, नाउ तो आफ्टर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल दिस वी हैव कंक्लूडेड दैट प्लांट्स आर द सोर्सेज ऑफ फूड इंग्रेडिएंट्स, लाइक all the food ingredients that are involved in vegetarian food, like grains, cereals, vegetables, fruits, and so many different things like pulses, after that pulses, and so many different things. Animals provides us food like meat, milk and eggs. Obviously as non-vegetarians are eating meat of fish, chicken, turkey, after that some are eating nowadays pork also. So animals also are the food sources. ठीक है, तो this was the question solved here. यहाँ पे हमारा question solved. Before we have studied what we have studied, that plant, there are two plant sources. Now obviously as plant is the source of food, we cannot easily gulp the complete plant ना, हम easily पूरा plant का plant तो खा नहीं सकते. Now what are the different edible parts of the plant? Edible means, here edible means eatable. edibles का meaning होता है eatable. Eatable means खाने लायक. eatable, you can say. Don't go with the handwriting because I'm trying to write down with my mouse because I am not having my light pen with me right now. Okay. So here comes with this diagram. You can simply draw this diagram with the help of your pencil, and here I am first of all time trying to make this diagram with the help of my mouse, and let's see how much time I will take. Why I am drawing this diagram? Because this is important for class 6 students. 6 students के लिए diagram बनाना बहुत important है. And with what are the importance of diagram? आप diagram के through you can simply learn so many different things. Don't go with my drawing skills as I am drawing with my mouse, but still I am trying to draw something beautiful. And let's see, as I am doing it for the first time. First time I'm drawing with mouse. Still I'm trying to do it as the picture seen. As you can see the picture, उसी की तरह. ठीक है? This is fruit. This is bud. These are flowers. You can see. My flowers will look so little bit different from the picture given. Still I'm trying to draw it like the picture, but actually it is not possible to draw with mouse के through possible नहीं है, but ठीक है, let me try. Did I draw everything? Yes. Let me draw last leaf. And here it is my diagram with the help of mouse. Let's begin with the parts of the parts of the plants, and after that we will be reading about edible plants also, edible parts of this plant also. So these are flowers. See, these are flowers. Flowers, obviously all of you have seen so many different kind of flowers. I like the flower, and my favorite flower is lotus. These are my fruits. This is a main stem. Fine. And these are leaves. See, these are leaves. These are nodes. These are nodes. You can see these are nodes here. The difference between two branch connections, that is nodes. Sorry, internode you can say. And these are nodes. This is bud. Where is my birds? Here I have made birds, and so these are my birds. See, so these are my birds. So this system which is just above the ground, जो ground के ऊपर है, that system will be considered as shoot system. उसको shoot system कहा जाता है. And the system, you can say, now here comes the primary root, means the main root. This is a main root. This is a primary root, and these are the secondary root. Now these will comes under the root system. This is a root system. So after completing that, let's move on to the edible parts. Edible means, I have already told you, means eatable. Edible means eatable. Fine. And edible means eatable. Now here are the parts we eat as food, or we can eat as a food. Okay, or this is here are the parts we have been eating. Okay, like first part is leaf. Leaf, yes, we do eat leaf of the plants, like spinach. Spinach is a very good example of that, right? Spinach. Now coming to the fruits, all the fruits we eat, like oranges. Fine. Another one is mango. Fine. And next is banana. My favorite. I like banana. Banana. Fine. Coming to the roots. What are the roots we eat? In this, I think turnip. Turnip is the best example. We eat turnip. And we eat ginger also. Ginger tea, and so many different things. Like now, sometimes we eat stem also. Stem. And sometimes we eat flowers too. Like you can say banana flowers. Banana flowers people used to eat. Banana flowers. Cauliflower is also a very good example of that. Now coming to some plants which we eat, but for a few plants are having so many different parts to eat. Like we can eat their fruits, and leaf. Sometimes we can eat the complete part also, complete plant also. So many different things. Here they have mentioned one example of a mustard plants. Mustard plants gives us oil, whereas its leaves can be eaten as vegetable. हम उसकी eat as a vegetable भी खाते हैं. Coming to this picture is showing a very good examples of the parts of the plants we eat. Like for the roots, we are having few vegetables, like few with not just vegetables, it can be considered fruits also. Roots we eat carrots, radish, turnips. Stems we eat as celery, broccoli. Leaves, lettuce. For the leaves, we eat spinach also, as I have mentioned before. Fruits, for the fruits we are eating tomatoes, peppers, apples and cucumbers. For the seeds we eat peanuts and peas. So this is an example. These are the list of examples you can relate in your life, and you can learn them too. Now here comes another activity. This is the activity I have got for you. This is you will have to do by DIY, means do by yourself. Okay? You will have to do it by yourself. You will have to take some more dry seeds of moong dal, put it in a water, put it in a container filled with water and leave it aside for a day. एक दिन के लिए छोड़ दीजिए. Next day drain the water completely and leave the seeds in the vessel. छोड़ दीजिए. After leaving that for some time, wrap them in a piece of wet cloth or set them aside for another day. And after that, what will you observe? Share that experience with me in the comments below. And after that, you can see a white structure that may have grown out of the seeds. That white structure is known as sprout. You can say sprout. So here sprout is important. Keep that in your mind. Coming to the now, let's begin with the another topic that is also mentioned in your book, that what do animals eat? What do animals eat? वो खाते क्या हैं? So obviously, as we starting from our own concepts, that we know that cow eats grass, and goat eats some leafy vegetables or some leaves. What about camels? Camels also eat whatever we eat, like vegetable or chapatis and so many different things. So we are having idea of this. But what about other animals? We don't know. What about other animals? Yes, we are having an idea of wild animals. Yes, wild animals eats flesh and so many different things. But now in this we will be studying that about all the animals. First of all, starting from the honeybees. The question arises that where does this honey comes from and how the honeybees produced it. So here you can see the picture of this, that this is a beehive, and this is how that bees are collecting their sweet juice, or you can say honey. Now bees collect the sweet juice. That sweet juice is known as nectar. This is important again, that sweet juice is nectar that had been collected by bees from the flowers. जो flowers से bees sweet juice collect करती है उसको nectar कहा जाता है. After that, now they convert it into a honey and store it in the hive. They used to convert that sweet juice and then they used to store it in the hives. These are the example of their zoom in example of their hives. Now, when we find such beehives, we used to collect their food items and store it as honey. We used to eat that honey only. Nowadays also हम उसी honey को खाते हैं जो bees collect करती हैं. ठीक है? तो indirectly we are eating their food. हम उन्हीं का खाना खा रहे हैं. In the last one, they have mentioned there is a division of animals on the basis of their eating habits. Like first one is herbivores. Herbivores are those animals who eats only plants. Here are some examples. आपने देखा होगा, cow is an example. After that, buffalo. Now I would like to ask you few more example by yourself जो आपको आते हो. Comment below the examples of herbivores. Now second division is carnivores. Carnivores are the animals which eats only animals. The animals which eats only animals. We can consider all the wild animals as carnivores. हम carnivores में सारे wild animals लेके आ सकते हैं. Yes, don't go with my handwriting because I am trying to write it with my mouse only. Fine. Now coming to the third concept, that is omnivores. These all division of animals is very important for you because you are going to learn about these animals in details in the upcoming exams also, and for the government exams also. अगर आप कोई एग्जाम दे रहे हो या कुछ प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स की, उसमें दीज आर द बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स, दीज आर द बेसिक्स ऑफ जीके, यू कैन से साइंस जीके. तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए, यू विल हैव टू नो इट. सो एनिमल्स हु ईट्स both plants and animals, those animals are considered as omnivores. ठीक है. So herbivore means you can say herbivore means herbs means plant. तो ऐसे याद रख लो. ठीक है. Carnivores याद रख लो, carni means meat, ऐसे लर्न कर लो. And omni means both, omni means both, ऐसे लर्न करो. ठीक है. So both. Now who are the one which comes in omnivores? A dog will come in that. Dog eats both, as dog eats, not dog does not comes in the omnivores. कौन सा एनिमल आता है? एनिमल्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल omnivores में and not about animals, humans are the omnivores. humans omnivores होते हैं. ठीक है. और कौन होता है? Just think it and comment me down few more examples of omnivores अगर आपको पता है तो. So here I make a wrapping up my this demanding video. I hope that who had demanded this to me, जिसने मुझे demand किया था, she will be liking it. And let's see if I get a good response from this demand video. I will be making some few different kind of interesting videos on your only demands. So thank you so much for watching eStudy Farm. Bye bye. Keep watching, subscribing, liking and sharing it with your friends. Bye.